India reported 84,332 new COVID-19 cases, 1.21 lakh discharges and 4,002 deaths on Friday, according to the Union Health Ministry data. India has reported less than 90,000 cases after 2 months. America's top infectious disease expert Dr. Anthony Fauci said that extending the interval between 2 vaccine doses can leave the person vulnerable for any of the virus variants that are active among people. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will attend the G7 meet via video conferencing. PM Modi will speak in 3 sessions on June 12 and June 13, which are themes of building back stronger, building back together, and building back greener, respectively. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday night met Union Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP National President JP Nadda. This meeting comes amid speculations of Union Cabinet reshuffle. Modi has not reshuffled his cabinet since he became the Prime Minister for second time in 2019. Samyukta Kisan Morcha has said that it would organize a protest outside Raj Bhavans across the country on June 26. The protest will be held to mark the completion of 7 months of protest against the 3 farm laws. Inderjit Singh from All India Kisan Sabha, Haryana, said that the day will be observed as Kheti Bachao, Loktantra Bachao Divas. A high alert was issued for Mumbai for June 13 and 14 by the Metropolis Civic Body after the India Meteorological Department forecasted very heavy rain. The Navy and the NDRF have been told to remain on standby to render help if required. Former Telangana Minister Ayatollah Rajender's office said that he will submit his resignation as MLA to the Telangana Assembly Speaker's office. He was sacked from the state cabinet last month following allegations of land encroachments. The Dominica High Court has denied bail to business fugitive Mehul Choksi, saying he is a flight risk. Choksi's lawyer had sought the bail on a medical condition. The court said that he has already received necessary medical attention. Euro 2020, the biggest sporting event which was postponed due to COVID-19, kicked off at the Stadio Olimpico in Rome. The opening match of football's European Championship was played in Rome. Italy delighted the mask-wearing home fans by beating Turkey 3-0, getting all the goals in the second half.